Hello, welcome to English from Zero. You already know a few basic English phrases. Now let's work on pronunciation. Today, 8 useful English sounds, not phonetic symbols. Listen and repeat. Sound 1. Th in think. Put your tongue lightly between your teeth. Let the air pass. Think. 3. Thank you. Repeat. Think. 3. Thank you. Sound 2. The in this. Same tongue position, but use your voice. This. That. They. Repeat. This. That. They. Listen to the contrast. Think. This. Thank. That. Repeat. Think. This. Sound 3. R. English R is different from the French R. Keep the tongue back. Do not touch the top of the mouth. Red. Right. Ready. Repeat. Red. Right. Ready. Sound 4. L. Touch the tongue behind the upper teeth. Look. Like. Hello. Look. Like. Hello. Contrast. Right. Light. Right. Light. Right. Light. Sound 5. Short E. Sit. Big. 6. Repeat. Sit. Big. 6. Sound 6. Long E. See. Green. 3. Repeat. See. Green. 3. Contrast. Sit. Seat. Live. Leave. Repeat. Sit. Seat. Live. Leave. Sound 7. W. Round the lips. Water. We. Want. Repeat. Water. We. Want. Sound 8. V. Touch the top teeth lightly to the lower lip. Very. 5. Have. Repeat. Very. 5. Have. Contrast. West. Vest. Wine. Vine. Repeat. West. Vest. Very good. Now use the sound in short English phrases. Hello. Thank you. This is my friend. We are ready. I live here. Very good. Now shadow me. Hello. Thank you. This is my friend. We are ready. I live here. Good guess. Which word begins with the voiceless th sound? Think or this? Voiceless. Think. Which word begins with the voice th sound? Think or this? Voiced. This. Which word begins with r? Right or light? Right. Which word begins with l? Right or light? Light. Excellent. Final pronunciation chain. Think. This. Right. Light. Sit. See. Water. Very. Again. Think. This. Right. Light. Sit. See. Water. Very. Great. Your pronunciation does not need to be perfect today. Listen, repeat, and improve step by step. See you in the next English from Zero video.